Sweet Happy New Year and hello, welcome you to new video of Etwig present tutorial for growth, and in the video I show you to download Python software if you're interested in Python language. So let's start it. So first click on the Google Chrome and it will open Google Chrome on the screen. After opening Google Chrome, we search Python on search tab as you can see on the screen and click on enter button. Click on first search result. Now Python website will open. Now for downloading latest version of Python software, then click on yellow download button. And slowly scroll down till you find different Python version list. Now select a window version of Python and save it on your desktop or laptop. I already downloaded that software in my laptop. See, I downloaded that software in my download folder. And this is how we can easily download Python software, and in next video I show you how to download coding editor for Python. So if you like this video, please press like button and share it to your friends, and thanks for watching.